ये वीडियो होने वाली है बहुत ही धमाकेदार क्योंकि मैं प्रेजेंट करने जा रही हूँ आवर लिटिल शेफ विराज फ्रॉम यूएसए। नानी माँ का दुलारा, मॉम का प्यारा, पूरे परिवार का प्रिंस चार्मिंग। आवर लिटिल विराज इज जस्ट द एज ऑफ 4 एट द शूटिंग ऑफ दिस वीडियो और ये आपको बताएंगे फ्रेश लेमनेड की रेसिपी अपनी बहुत ही क्यूट से अंदाज में। एंड ही इज द ग्रैंडसन ऑफ माई स्वीट फ्रेंड मिसेस मंजू भवानी। सो प्रेजेंटिंग adorable, intelligent, genius, focused, sporty, mathematician, money catcher, born businessman, stockist, our chef Veeraj with his recipe.
Chef Veeraj just got some lemons from the backyard. Chef, what's the plan
Are you
for
ready?
today?
So you squeeze the lemon
That's step number 1.
into the bowl.
Look at that.
If you're in the light, a lot light, it might look brown, but it's actually just white.
Okay, Chef Veeraj.
Then, if you see it's all flat, take the lemon out.
If it's all flat, take them out, okay.
So put it upside down, okay?
Okay, good to know.
Or else if you don't put it upside down,
Yeah.
it will squeeze on your face.
Oh,
And
good
who
tip.
wants that? Nobody.
Who wants that? Good tip, yeah.
Okay, so it won't fit all the way because the lemon's fat right now.
It doesn't smell, okay. It smells so refreshing.
It is refreshing.
What are you gonna do with the lemon peel and the remaining lemon?
Put it in the compost. So now that you made this, take some sugar. Make sure it's a little portion of sugar because if you put too much sugar, it will be all sugary and it'll taste bad. Yeah, I can just put it in like
Okay,
this.
sure.
Not too much, okay, Veeraj? Yep.
Not too
You
much.
should
Okay,
put like
Veeraj.
1 spoon.
Okay.
Then take the spoon.
Okay.
Mix it up.
Okay.
You might be wondering why it's a little because at the end we're going to put water in. When you're done mixing it, take your kalamanak,
Kalmanak, okay.
open it. Okay, and this time put just a very little,
Very little kalmanak, okay. Because
like
you don't want
this
to.
much.
A pinch, okay, got it. Or you just eat it, okay, that's another way to do it. And then maybe some, okay, keep licking and trying, of
Okay,
course.
that's okay.
You tasted it? How's it coming out?
Good.
So good? Okay.
If you're like me and you love cartoons,
Cartooness, yes.
you can put in some soda.
Okay.
Okay, that's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now let me taste it. Good.
Good? Perfect?
Now you need to put some water in.
And water too? Okay, you want to remove the spoon and I'll pour it in a glass for you? Okay, keep tasting. That's also the tip. Okay, got it. I'm going to pour it in a glass for you. And then... And do you just want to have it just like that or do you want some water? Try.
Water.
You do?
Let me just try.